Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, it is just going to be a quick tidy up speed clean with me. The house wasn't that dirty. Since the kids have been in school, it's been a little bit easier for me to keep up with the housework. There's not nearly as much dishes in the sink. So, because they're not here, just leaving their 30 cups and plates everywhere. But I did not get hair extensions. I had been seeing those Halo hair extensions on TikTok. So I finally broke down and bought some because my hair is so damaged, so bad. It is breaking and it's just awful. And so I bought those because, one, I can't grow my hair very long because it gives me really bad migraines. I have to thin out my hair all the time, and so with this, it doesn't weigh my hair down, and I've been loving it. But I did find these ones on Amazon. They were $8. I just bought some cheap ones because I really just wanted to see how I was going to like them, and I am loving them. They blend in with my hair. But also with this, you can't really see all the breakage in my actual hair from getting it bleached. I got it bleached so much last year, and to the point where it just really fried my hair, and I really need to go and get my roots done and everything, but I haven't been wanting to put no more bleach on my hair right now until I can bring it back to healthiness, because when it's wet, it is gummy. It still feels so gummy, and when my hair starts to dry, I can't even get a brush through it. Once my hair is actually completely dry, and if I tried to brush my hair, it has just been breaking so bad. So I've been doing a lot of hair mask and coconut oil, just trying to bring my hair back. And I don't even know, once I get my hair back to healthiness, I don't even know if I want to keep up with the blonde. I love it, but I don't know. I don't think I might just go back darker just so it's not that much damage to my hair compared to all the bleach. So,
or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it's never
I go slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. The way you.
So the glass stovetop cover, my neighbor across the street built that for me. I had ordered that from him, and on the front of it, it has my initial for my last name, and then he put our last name in the center of it. It's really cute, and I have been loving it. But I have seen so many other people with these, and I have just loved them, and they're just super cute. But I chose to paint mine, well, it's supposed to be a teal, but it's like more like a light blue, but it's still very, very pretty.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
And George on the kitchen table watching me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Super quick, tidy up, speed clean with me. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful Tuesday. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.